Hello and very good evening. This is Ravindra Kabra, the Bhagwan of Gokul, and this is what a beautiful evening in Gokul looks like. We are just at the entrance of Gokul, and look at the beauty, how nature smiles. Absolutely amazing. गोकुल जो कि हमारे घर का गार्डन है, बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि ये कोई नर्सरी होगी, बट ये नर्सरी नहीं है। ये इस बागवान का जुनून है, पैशन है, लव है, मेरा प्यार है, मेरा इकरार है, मेरी ज़िंदगी है, मेरा सब कुछ है. So this is the beautiful Gokul. And I walk in Gokul, and come, let's enjoy this beautiful evening in Gokul. A garden of love, a garden of care, a garden of passion, a garden of inspiration is what Gokul is. ईश्वर की, ठाकुर जी की बहुत बड़ी कृपा जो इस बागवान को निमित्त बनाया. टुडे इज़ 14th April 2021, and the temperature today afternoon was close to 43 degrees, but Gokul continues to spread its smiles, its happiness with its Bhagwan and all its care followers, all who love Gokul. And this is the beautiful entrance to Gokul. The terrace, if you can see the terrace, the bougainvilleas, beautiful bougainvilleas, still blooming a bit, but not as they bloom in February, March. And now let's walk in Gokul to enjoy nature, a beautiful evening